Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Twin. Today, we're gonna show you how to make 3 types of pencil toppers. So, let's get started. Cut a paper in square and roll it. Fold the corners like this. Then draw a cat face. And it's done! Fold the paper in half and draw a slot. And glue it together as shown. Add a face. And it's ready! Fold the brown paper in half and draw a cupcake liner. Draw a cupcake in any color of your choice and cut it out. You will be needing 2 of them. Roll a paper and stick it on the inside of the cupcake liner. And it's done! Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching. See you on Tuesday.